Good morning students. In yesterday's video we have seen the activity of plants. Okay, in that we have seen that plants also needs water to live. Now why do plants need water? See, plants need water. In this topic we are going to see why do they need. We water our potted plants. Farmers water the crops in their fields. Okay, now first what they have told us that we water our potted plants. Here in the picture you can see that there are 3 pots and these 2 children are watering the plants. This activity you must also doing at your home. You also water your plants at home, right? Farmers water the crops in their field. Now in this picture you can see that farmer is watering the plants in his field. Plants or crops, right? Could these plants live without water? Now you tell me, can these plants live without water? No. As we have seen in this activity that the plant which has not given water, see that plant has dried up. But plant which has given water is fresh and green in color. Same way, if you do not water the plants, it will get dried up, right? So they need water. They cannot live without water. Thus, we see that plants like animals need water. So, we see that plants also need water and animals also need water. Right? Use your brain power. You have to think this. The trees in the forest also need water to grow. Right? The trees which are present in the forest, they also need water to grow. From where do they get water they need? Can you tell me that from where do they get water? Now here in the fields and at home we water the plants, right? But in the forest there are big trees. Who give them water? From where do they get water? They get water from the rain. From where do they get water? They get water from the rain. Now see, rainwater seeps into the soil. Now you can see the rainwater that seeps into the soil means it goes under the soil. It mixes up with the soil. The rainwater which is coming, it get absorbed by the soil. Roots of plants spread deep into the soil. The roots of the plants, it is spreading out in the soil. बहुत लंबे रूट्स बढ़ते जाते हैं. जो प्लांट्स के नीचे रूट्स होते हैं, आपको पता है प्लांट्स के नीचे क्या होते हैं? अंडरग्राउंड रूट्स होते हैं, राइट? तो जो रूट्स है वो क्या होता है? वो बढ़ते जाते हैं. वो साइज में छोटे रहते हैं क्या? नहीं, वो सॉइल के अंदर बढ़ते जाते हैं. दीज रूट्स एब्जॉर्ब द वाटर. और जो पानी आता है ऊपर से रेन वाटर, तो जो नीचे रूट्स प्रेजेंट है वो उस पानी को एब्जॉर्ब करके लेते हैं. दैट हैज़ सीप्ड इनटू द सॉइल. जो पानी मिट्टी के अंदर चला गया है, एब्जॉर्ब हुआ है, वो पानी कौन ले लेता है? रूट्स ले लेते हैं. ओके, और ये रूट्स क्या होते हैं? स्प्रेड होते जाते हैं. डू यू नो सम प्लांट्स लाइक बुलरशेस ग्रो ओनली इन वाटर. अभी कुछ प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो सिर्फ पानी में ही ग्रो होते हैं. अगर आप रिवर के साइड जाओगे, आपको रिवर के ऊपर देखो छोटे छोटे ग्रीन कलर के ऐसे बुलरशेस दिखेंगे. वो किस में आते हैं? सिर्फ पानी में आते हैं. वी कैन ट्राई अवर बेस्ट टू ग्रो देम इन द सॉइल. नाउ इफ़ यू वांट वी कैन ट्राई देम टू ग्रो इन द सॉइल बट दे कैन नॉट सर्वाइव देयर. अगर हमने उन्हें सॉइल में ग्रो करने के लिए ट्राई किया तो वो नहीं हो सकता है. क्यों? क्योंकि उन्हें सिर्फ पानी ही चाहिए होता है. दे कैन नॉट सर्वाइव इन द सॉइल. द लोटस, वाटर चेस्टनट एंड hyacinth are also plants that grow in water. Now these are the names of the plants which only grow in water, right? Use your brain power. Why do we need to water a garden more often in summer? अभी समर सीजन में हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पानी क्यों देना चाहिए प्लांट्स को? Why is water in ponds and wells much reduced in summer? समर सीजन में पॉन्ड्स और वेल्स में जो पानी होता है वो क्यों कम होते होते जाता है गर्मियों के सीज़न में, ये आपको सोचना है। What we have learnt. Now we are going to see what we have learnt in this chapter. Living things need water, right? This is the main point. Living things need water. There is water in the bodies of living things. That is why the body keeps working properly. We get thirsty when there is a lack of water in our body. Many villages have a common source of water from which water is taken for use at home. Certain birds and plants are commonly found near such sources. We need water not only for drinking but also for cleaning, cooking, growing crops and for industry too. The roots of plants go deep into the soil and absorb water. Now see, what we have seen, that living things also need water. Our water has there is water in our body, so we can work properly. We get thirsty when there is lack of water in our body, and many villages have common source of water, so people take water from that place, and certain birds and plants are also found near that source of water. We need water for drinking but also for cleaning, cooking, growing crops, etc. The roots of plants do go deep into the soil and absorb water. So these are the points which we have learnt in this chapter. Now always remember, what you have to remember, everyone should take care to keep the public source of water clean. This is everyone's responsibility, that we should take care to keep the public source of water clean. Public source of water means river, ponds, lakes, all such public source of water, we should keep it clean. It is each one's responsibility to do so. It is everyone's responsibility that we should keep the water clean. Okay? In this way we have finished with the chapter. You also read it out. Thank you.